Okay, we got another video by another Yahoo Finance video. They're pumping out their Tesla Cybertruck videos. It's hitting the news. Everyone's making videos on it, and I'm going to cover it right here. So make sure you're subscribed to the channel, hit the like button, and let's check this video out.
Shares of electric vehicle makers rallying today after BYD said it expects to triple its net profit in the first half of the year due to strong EV sales, showing little impact from the pricing war in China. Rival Tesla also had good news. The EV giant finally produced its first Cybertruck. The auto rolled off the assembly line at the company's Austin gigafactory on Saturday. You can see other EV companies boosted as well. Rivian under some pressure, though, but Lucid and NIO all up on the news from BYD and Tesla. Joining us now is Yahoo Finance reporter Alexandra Canal. Ali Canal.
Hi.
Hello.
Well, I first want to say the Cybertruck, I think, is one of the ugliest cars
on
the market.
It's terrible.
However, I do think that people that love Tesla, love Elon Musk, they're going to humor it because they're likely going to stay within that ecosystem. I also think we're going to see more EV adoption across the board, right?
Okay, hold on. I got to stop it right there. Oh my God. They're going to humor it. It's the ugliest car. Do they know that there's 1.5 million reservations for this vehicle? 1.5 million. That's the most anticipated vehicle ever in history. Okay, so you can think it's ugly all you want, but what you have to do is take yourself outside of what you think of the vehicle. When you're looking at these companies, you think the vehicle's ugly. Okay, what are the numbers? How many people are reserving it? What's the, it's search some Cybertruck videos. What are the numbers on the Cybertruck videos? Check out the tweets that Elon and Tesla tweeted. What are the views on those tweets? How much people are interested in the Cybertruck? There are a lot of people interested in this thing. 1.5 million reservations. I'm 160,000 on the list. I ordered one, reserved one. I'm going to get one. So yeah, because you think it's ugly, yeah, that's one thing, right? You think, Tesla fanboys are going to get it, but there's a lot more than just Tesla fanboys that are interested in this vehicle. It's a worldwide phenomenon, and you got to pay attention to that stuff.
Especially with a lot of these charging stations popping up more and more. But what's interesting is there was a report that the Cybertruck will only have about 350-mile range. That would be significantly below the 620-mile range a Tesla said the Cybertruck would have in 2019. It also would be below the Chevy Silverado, which drives at a 450-mile range. It would be above the F-150 Lightning by 30 miles. But still, you wonder, once that news comes out, this is just based on a report, if that could affect Tesla stock price.
All right, so that's not official numbers from Tesla. We have no official numbers from Tesla on price or range or anything yet. Hopefully that's wrong because that wouldn't be great. But that's just a report. We don't know if that's substantiated yet, so we'll still have to wait and see.
Go ahead.
I was just going to say, the thing I'm curious about going forward, the Cybertruck is a sideshow for now, right? Mm-hmm. It's an interesting sideshow. It's an ugly car, blah, blah, blah. People want it, I guess. The price war is really the thing right now. And
what? It's a sideshow? People want it? Like, blah, like, what the hell are you talking about? Okay, this is the thing. This is the thing I talked about earlier. They have no idea the reservation numbers and the how crazy popular this car is. Like, it's not a sideshow. It's a big deal. It's going to sell a lot of numbers. It's going to push Tesla. Every Cybertruck is another ad for a Tesla vehicle. You see a Cybertruck on the road, your neighbor has it, someone at your school has it, someone at work has it. You're going to go check it out. You're going to go to the website. You're maybe not going to get a Cybertruck, but you're going to check out the Model Y or the Model 3 or the cheaper version that's coming out that's being built in Mexico. It's a huge deal. It's not this little sideshow. The pricing wars is like a temporary short-term thing that's going to happen. The price goes up and down. Yes, Tesla sees demand, high demand, they raise the price. They can't make it too many cars. They can't make that many cars to meet demand, so they raise the price. They're making a lot of cars. Demand might be a little down, but they can get more cars out. They'll drop the price. They can do that on the website. So that's not really a big deal in the long run. The long run play is the software, is this full self-driving, is Yeah. So
now, on that front, Ford just cut the price of its Lightning, its F-150 Lightning. So now it looks like that the pro-commercial truck, according to our Prof. Subramanian, who has a story on the Yahoo Finance platform on this, is going to be cut by almost 10 grand. So the new starting price will be $49,995 for that pro line. So this just showing the continued competition, really, that is heating up so much in this industry. That's happening here. It's happening in China. To the case of BYD, it's happening everywhere.
And we know that that is part of what fueled Tesla sales recently is just the pricing strategy they took after that last round of earnings. So I think we can expect to see more of that. But also keep in mind for the Cybertruck, it's been delay after delay, and it's just one. Right? They need to produce more. They had people who signed up for, who placed orders, and they had to stop because they were so far behind in terms of actual production of this. I mean, certainly good news for the share price today, and you're seeing the opposite effect to Rivian because of the Cybertruck.
Yeah, and you wonder how the pricing wars too will impact margins. We're going to hear from Tesla later this week, so I think that's going to be a key earnings report that a lot of investors will be tuned in on.
Yeah.
Yeah. Once again,
blind spots in that thing. I'm just looking at it on the road. Like you're not. I don't know.
Okay. Yeah. This
Case of
woman
BYD.
here always has, the one on the left always has bad things to say about Tesla. No matter what it is, she's always speaking negatively about Tesla, and I don't know why. Like I don't know. It's very strange. Some people have their biases. Some people don't like certain companies, but she's always negative on Tesla, and it's pretty strange. But yeah, this is why this is so fun, because there's people that are super negative about the company. But when the Cybertruck does start to come out in higher numbers, you're seeing them on the roads more, and it's just going to be a fun journey to follow along with, to see how many come out, see the demand for it, see the production coming out, how the pricing is going to come out, how the range of them is going to come out. So we're going to follow all of that, guys. So make sure to subscribe to the channel, hit that like button. That really helps me out. Ford dropping the price $10,000, even though they're making negative 100% margins, they're dropping the price, so the margins number is going to go even lower, and no one seems to care or notice that they're so concerned about Tesla being at 20% margin. And if it goes to 18, that's a big deal. It's the end of the world. But no one's looking at the Ford EV section and seeing that they're down 102% margin. So these are the type of things you got to pay attention to. These are the type of things I cover on this channel. So don't be like most people. Follow me so I can give you all this news when it drops, and I can give you a measured opinion on what's going on with the stock. And subscribe for more, like the video, and I'll see you next time.